Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel and another Draw Too Much sketch lesson. As you know, we've been going through a series of two things. We've been doing caricatures, getting you informed on how to learn how to draw caricatures, and then we're also going through a series called 300 Drawing Prompts. It's a book that my mother-in-law bought me for Christmas a couple years ago. It was in my stocking, and I've never ever drawn in it, but I didn't realize how cool it could actually be until now. And here's the reason why this is cool. It's a sketchbook with a bunch of blank pages in it, and basically on each page there is a piece of text that tells you what you should draw on that page. Makes you think outside of your comfort zone. So I figured instead of just focusing on caricatures all the time, which is what I've done since 2008, we need to focus on pushing our brain to the discomfort zone and learning new techniques and new design elements. I think this is really key for if you want to improve in your caricatures. No matter what you do in art, you are improving your caricaturing because you're improving in other art areas. We've drawn some really crazy stuff, and our last drawing prompt video that we did, which for me was about 10 minutes ago, I decided that I was going to push myself and draw everything left-handed, and we drew the Milky Way, and yeah, that was a rough video. In any case, I hope that you've enjoyed these videos. It's time to see what we're going to draw next. I have no idea what's on the next page of this 300 Drawing Prompts book. Let's see what we're going to be drawing today. Let me also, while we're talking here, switch my camera here so I don't have to redo this, because that has happened multiple times. We're going to set our timer for 10 minutes. You have 10 minutes to come up with a design of your own of whatever we have next in this book. Please join me. Go get yourself a piece of paper, a pencil, go get yourself whatever tools you like to use. If you like to draw on your iPad, grab that. Whatever, we have 10 minutes to come up with something unique right now. And of course, if you are enjoying yourself drawing it, don't stop at 10 minutes. Keep going. Make something beautiful that you're proud of. But for me, I have 10 minutes of comedy to give you something interesting, and I have failed miserably in a couple of these, but let's see what we got today. As I've always said, we've already done angel wings, we've already done a Dr. Seuss hat, all these videos you can see in the past. We've done your reflection, which is my favorite drawing I've done so far in this series, asteroids, and the Milky Way was the last one we've done, flipping the page. Oh, wow, for 10 minutes, this is going to be a challenging one, guys. The page here says a comic book cover. The next one we're going to draw is a comic book cover in 10 minutes. Oh, man. Wow, that one's going to be a tough challenge. I am definitely nervous about this for sure. I think what I'm going to do to help myself here is I'm going to turn on both our 5 and 10 minute timer at the same time, and and I'm going to use that 5 minutes when it's time to tell me to move on. I may focus on just keeping this a sketch, because I don't have any idea if I'm going to be able to do this. To go ahead and start this off, before we go ahead and start the timers, I'm going to go ahead and set my canvas to a 50-50 gray. That way I have that to work off of. I'm just going to stick with black and white for this one. And we're going to see what we can come up with in 10 minutes. This is going to be interesting, folks. If you enjoy this, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you get notifications on when we release more videos. And if you want to get all these videos and kind of binge watch them all at once, I release 8 videos at a time on Patreon. And it's not always 8 videos, but as many videos as I make in one specific day, I release up to 8 videos at a time per month on Patreon. And then I have those same videos scheduled for you guys here on YouTube, where you can see them every 3 days roughly, every Thursday and every Tuesday and Friday. So, all right, are you ready? And here's the thing. I mean, usually I say think outside of your comfort zone. Well, drawing a whole cover of a comic book within 10 minutes is definitely 100% out of my comfort zone. So whatever goes. If you're good at that, then find a way to make it tough on yourself. But within 10 minutes, let's try to make something somewhat cohesive. This is gonna be a big bomb fail for me. Here we go, guys. Let's go ahead and start up some music, because I'm gonna need it. And we're gonna give this a shot. Oh, wait a minute. I think my program just crashed. Hang on. Nope, it didn't crash. It's all good. That was weird. All right, you ready? It sees this coming. It sees the pain we're about to inflict on it. Here we go, folks. In 3, 2, 1. The music begins. Timers are started. Here we go, guys. Okay. We'll hear the first bell go off when 5 minutes is up, and then we'll hear the second bell when 10 minutes is up. Oh my word! I don't even know where to begin. I'm just gonna start scribbling. Honestly, I'm just gonna start scribbling because I have no idea what to do here. I have no idea what to do here. So I'm just gonna scribble, think outside the box. I don't know. Right away, look at that, I've drawn Superman. Not exactly what I was... Not even a DC fan at all. The Aquaman was good, but that was about it. I don't know. I don't like it. I'm gonna delete it. I don't like it. Okay, what if we do a building? If we're looking up at the building, it's gonna be... No, don't move my canvas around. Let's go like this and make the building really small up here, like we're kind of looking up at it. I don't like that either. I don't know. Let's go ahead and put someone up here on here, maybe? I don't know. Someone looking down over the city. Maybe we'll do some kind of creature coming out here. Some kind of monster. I don't know. I don't have any references or anything to go off of. I'm just looking. I don't like that either. Let's get rid of this. Let's go with, oh man, this is definitely way out of my comfort zone. I don't see anything. My brain has gone completely blank. I hope you are way past me, and we are at 3 minutes till we're at the 5-minute mark, and I have nothing. I just got done watching Spider-Man. Spider-Man's a really cool series, and I don't know. And my brain is so locked into what a good comic book cover looks like. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Don't ask me any questions right now. Okay, I might have something of sorts. I don't know. And I am gonna run out of time so fast, and I'm terrible at perspective drawings. So trying to think in perspective is just an absolute nightmare for me. 2 minutes left, and I have nothing. I mean, I got something, but it's definitely not... Yeah, you guys are gonna unsubscribe after this one, for sure! Okay, Jeez, think outside the box. I don't even know. I mean, right now I'm just doing chicken scratches, and that's probably all this is gonna be. And if this is all you can get in 10 minutes, then just make it look like it was supposed to be one, just not quite there or something. And the thing is, I don't love comics, but I love comic book art, you know? I love comic book art. I love how realistic it looks, and at the same time, how colorful it can be or not. How you can have noir, which is black and white, and then you can have, I mean, yeah, just you get what I'm saying. There's just so many wonderful options for comics. Oh, man. I'm gonna royally screw this one up. So I am, yeah, no, this is going to be an absolute terrible. And if you guys have known me for the last couple years, and you've been a part of my drawing stuff over the years, you know the character I'm drawing, because unfortunately, he's my favorite character, and I'm just... Alright, 5 minutes is done. 5 minutes is done. Nope. Fail. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm sure if you don't know by now, then you're seeing it now. I mean, I have no... Yeah, no, this is... I mean, in 10 minutes, I can draw a pretty excellent... Well, a reasonable enough caricature. But in 10 minutes, my brain just cannot communicate with me enough to draw any kind of feasible, cohesive, full-fledged comic book cover. So I was kind of thinking like some kind of, like says, Civil War, no, like Nazi kind of thing with a Nazi helmet or whatever, and the person kind of freaking out about it or something as Wolverine comes busting in or something. I don't know, I was just trying to... And this is such a fail, such a fail. I mean, I don't even have any kind of color in this, and I was thinking maybe having, like, coming into a camp tent here or whatever. I mean, and this is, I mean, here's the thing. I mean, like I said, this is not supposed to, this is not going to inspire you to want to keep watching my videos, I'll tell you that much. But what it will do is make you think outside of the box, because I know if I'm going through this, you're going through this. Unless you're really good at this kind of stuff, you and I are fighting together here to just figure out what we can do with this. I mean, I got nothing. I hate every bit of this right now. And even if I could even begin, I mean, why is he falling over? He looks like he's falling over. Instead of jumping at the guy, he looks like he's falling over. And no, I mean, this is absolutely abysmal. And even if I put, like, some motion swinging or whatever, I mean, this is just the worst piece ever. But yeah, no, this is not going well. So, and this is a cover, so we're gonna say, Marvel, Marvel, and then right next to it here we'll go, fails. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, there we go, because, I fail at this, but Marvel rocks, you know, and I'm just, with 1 minute and 51 seconds left, I don't even know what to do except to maybe try, because I'm a face guy, go in and attempt to turn him into looking like Wolverine, but really there's nothing I can do to even begin making him look like Wolverine. I mean, this is just, no, there is, in every way, this is in every form a fail if I've ever tried one. That's the thing, though. I mean, this is a growth process, and we're just gonna keep growing together and forcing ourselves to try new stuff. I've done covers for books, but never a comic book, never. And the pain and agony that you guys must be feeling right now because of how bad this is, I'm so sorry. "48 seconds left. Just keep pushing, guys. This is like a workout. Flex the muscles. Just do what you can. He looks like one seriously messed up Wolverine right now. Mustache. Okay, and then right here he had stubble, I thought. Okay, anyway. And of course, my favorite Wolverine is Hugh Jackman, and this looks nothing like Hugh either. So, yeah. Okay, I'm done, and I hate everything about this piece, but you guys get the idea. And obviously, this book that we're pulling this from says to, you know, draw something. They don't say to have it drawn within 10 minutes. This is something I'm forcing us to do, to really force us to think outside the box. And oh boy, yeah, did I fail this one miserably. Yeah. I hope you did better. I would love to see what you did. Go to look up facebook.com/Draw2MuchArtists Join our Facebook group and share with me what you created. And I don't care if you take it past 10 minutes and create whatever. I would love to see just what you created from our video. Create something beautiful, surprise me. I think that would be the coolest thing on planet Earth. And thank you for taking part of my video. I'm so sorry that mine is so miserable. Leave a comment, subscribe, hit the like button, please. I know it's terrible, but hit the like button and hit the bell button so you can get notifications when we make another one. I'm out of here. That was a fail. That was a big, miserable, ugly-looking Wolverine fail. Wow.